What is up and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross back at it again with yet another video. First of all, happy new year to all of you guys, and yes, I need to address my last video. I want to say thank you so much to everyone who watched my last video. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then click here or here and watch that video first. But or if you're interested, of course, because you don't need to watch that first if you don't want to. But I want to say thank you so much to all of you guys who watched that videos, for all your love and your support. I really appreciate it. I have a follow-up video to talk a little bit more about that, maybe later this month or next month. I don't know exactly when, because to be honest with you guys, I just want to move on a little bit and leave that behind. And for now, it's been enough with the mourning and being sad about things. I want to be happy and enter my year with a positive bang. So that's why I'm a lot more positive in this video today. And today I just want to reflect a little bit back on last year, because even though the last month was a lot different than I hoped it would be, that doesn't mean that I'm not thankful for 2018, because a lot of positive things have happened. And sometimes it's just very good to reflect back on the good things that happened to you, because we sometimes let bad things overshadow the whole situation, and that is very ungrateful in my opinion. So I want to be grateful for the beautiful moments, and I wrote some of it down because I wouldn't be able to memorize all of it, and I find it very therapeutic to write down things that I'm, you know, grateful for, some kind of affirmation type of style. And yeah, I figured, like, why not turn this into a little video? It would be fun for me to look back on and, you know, relive the past a little bit. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just go ahead and get into this video. So here we go. Dear 2018, you have come to an end. So let me see. I have a lot of things to thank you for. Let's start at the beginning of the year. I started very motivated, making some hair tutorials, a flat twist out, a wand curl set, in which I terribly burned myself. Ow, fuck! Oh my god. And side note, I did not use that curl wand ever again after that day, but the final look was cute or whatever. I told some story times from my past. I may or may not have got into trouble for some of those. Okay, quick little story time. My mom got really upset with all the story times that I told, because she thinks that I'm looking for, you know, unsolicited drama. So my mom is very conservative, if I may say so. Yeah, she's very old-fashioned and conservative when it comes to those type of things. She believes that when something happens to you, you should just not talk about it, let it disappear, and just never bring it up again, especially if it's something bad. But I feel like sometimes bad things happen to you, and it's good to share your stories because it makes other people feel like they're not alone. And also, like, why the hell not? It's my story. So this year I'm just definitely gonna continue to tell more stories. Sorry, mom. Anyways, for my birthday, this was February, I was surprised by my lovely boyfriend. I had such a blast. We went to Barcelona and we totally fell in love with this city. So we actually went twice this year, also in October, and in March it was Benni's birthday. It is actually 2 weeks after my birthday, so we went to France and he had the time of his life. even though it was extremely cold. Insert clip right here.
So happy. Can we go home now? No, not yet. You have a lot more to do. We are now at the Eiffel Tower, and I have a terrible headache because of the cold.
We enjoyed delicious coffees, the beautiful Louvre, the Eiffel Tower, and all the beautiful views that Paris had to offer. When it comes to my makeup, I must have said that I've kept it very basic this year. I was very much in love with the rose gold type of looks, and I did not step out of my comfort zone a lot. And when it comes to my hair, it was kind of the same. I did try some box braids. I tried some cornrows with clip-in extensions, and I tried a few flat twist outs on straightened hair. But other than that, buns, wash and goes, they were basically my favorite. Content wise, I did try stepping out of my comfort zone a little bit. I did some try on hauls. I copied somebody's Instagram. You better know. And I did a Vogue parody, which was also a get to know me tag. And this was like me opening up a little bit, talking about my feelings, and you know, let you guys get to know more about me. This year I also started to read the Bible and learning and reading everything for myself. I say that I was always convinced that when Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. When Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. When Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. But hey, now I'm convinced more than ever. For the final month of 2018, I had amazing things planned. I was like full of ideas, but I got thrown off because I had a miscarriage. I processed this over the last month, and I realized that I have the right to mourn. I have the right to feel sad if I feel sad, but when it's time to move on, it's time to move on. So that's what I'm doing. I'm moving on, and I wanted to think about the things that I'm grateful for this year, because as painful and as sad it is to lose a child or to experience something sad, there are still things that happened last year that I'm very thankful for. I almost forgot, but I also moved this year, and our new apartment is literally everything that I have been praying for. So thank you, Jesus. So in 2019, I want to continue to be happy, laugh each day, try new makeup looks and different hairstyles. Because believe it or not, happiness is in the smallest things. I'm super grateful for all that I have in my life, but I'm especially thankful for my boyfriend Benni and our mutual friend Dayna. I hope we can travel and discover new places together, because Italy was one of our best vacations ever. It was so good that we made a mess out of the vlog that I was not even able to upload it because we made a mess out of it. So here are some beautiful clips from that time inserted here. I hope we can visit you more in The Hague this year. And thank you so much for opening your place up to us, inviting us over. The few times that I went to you, it was really nice, so thank you so much. By the way, you guys, Dayna is an artist. She makes very nice drawings. So
she makes paintings, you know.
Oh yeah, she makes paintings. I'm so sorry, Dayna, to disrespect your work like that.
I draw.
Huh? Yeah, you draw. He draws, and Dayna is an artist. So I mean, Dayna makes paintings. I'm so sorry, you guys. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys some of her work. She has like very nice paintings. And if you guys are interested in seeing more of her work, I'm gonna link all her information in the description box down below.
If you wanna buy her work, you contact Benni.
Yeah, and if you wanna buy some work from Dayna, you can contact Benni. But as you can see, she has a whole lot of works, and it's all super cool. As you can see, it's so amazing. Anyways, travel-wise, Spain has a special place in our hearts, and Paris is still a good idea, but this year I think we wanna visit other places, so probably no Paris this year. And of course, I want to thank you who is watching this video right now. I want to thank you so much for riding with me last year, and I hope you will stick around for this year. I know there are a lot of people here out on YouTube chasing the same dream, and the thing is, there are so many people with good content, but still you chose to support me and watch my videos, so thank you so much for that. I appreciate you a lot. This year I want to bring out content that we both can be happy about. I want to make videos in which I open up more to you guys about my life, about me, about general things, about maybe subjects that are a little controversial but still need to be talked about. So sorry mom again, but this is not gonna stop, you know. But yes, I want to thank you guys so much for everything that you guys have done for me so far. I read every single comment and I appreciate every single like, thumbs up under each video. So thank you so much. I have no words to thank you. This year though, I wanna have a family name going on, so I thought about the name Amiga. Amiga is a word in Papiamento. Papiamento is the language that they speak in the Caribbean, on the ABC Islands to be exact. That is Curacao, Aruba, that's not the right order though, and Bonaire, but anyways, you guys get the point what I'm saying. And amiga means best friend or friend, and basically somebody that you know, tell your little secrets to, and you know, feel close to and run to whenever you want to talk or anything, or have girl time with. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about that name, and it will basically be like, hey amigas, so on the beginning of each video. So let me know what you guys think. And yes, I hope you liked this video, and I hope you enjoyed this little, you know, looking back on 2018. Let's be grateful for all the things that we had in 2018. And if you think 2018 was a bad year for you, just think twice, you know, because I felt the same, to be honest. But when I just write down everything and reflect on each year, month by month, there were so many positive things as well. So I just suggest you to do the same. You of course don't have to upload it to YouTube, but just do it for yourself. And let's just be grateful this year. So I'm gonna wrap up this video. I want to thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year's once again, and may this year be full of blessings and love and good food, actually. I hope to see you guys soon in my next video, and I love you. Bye guys.